Hello, my name is Teacher Paula, and I'm a teacher with VIP Kid. Do you like puzzles? I do, and really, what kid doesn't like puzzles? So, if you stick around, in this video, I'm going to show you how I use puzzles as a reward system in my classroom, from level 1 to level 5. Puzzles. I love puzzles. Kids love puzzles. And let me tell you, I have gotten some of the biggest smiles ever from some of my kids when I have put together a puzzle for them as a reward. You're thinking, a puzzle? How can that work out? Well, instead of giving them stars or something for that secondary reward, I give them puzzle pieces. I use a cookie sheet or even a small dry erase board. And I have puzzles printed out. And you can find some puzzles already done with the lines ready to cut, and they're free. Some of them are on the props, VIP Kid props and videos on Facebook. Then I have them set up already in the order I'm going to put them on the cookie sheet as I give them to the student. So I'm not having to fumble around to figure out where it's got to go, because that's just going to take up time. I do this one especially with my level 1 kids and my lower level 2 kids. Now the older kids I do something totally different with, and I'll talk to you about that in a minute. So when it's time for a secondary reward, I'll say, we're going to put together a puzzle. And I give 2 pieces at a time. I've learned to kind of do it with them here so that they can see it. And then I show it to them. And I go, and then I just put it away. And then when it's time again, we're going to do more puzzle. And you can tell I've got it in order as I'm going to go around. They're stacked in that order so that I just grab the one on top. Okay, now I'm going to show it to them. Some of them are starting to realize what the picture is, and they're getting the concept of it. Then the next time, we're going to do more puzzle. And then they're going to start saying puzzle, especially the younger ones, and then the older ones really will. And I always go, And then some of them I'll start saying, what do you see? If they see something, they'll start telling you, I see a dog. And then you've got to say, you only have 1 piece left. And that's right. I give the last piece at last all by itself to bring it all together. So I go, what do you see? Yes, I see a dog. And then I'll go, and I'll put it away. And then what the last piece always goes, I always let them look at it really good. I'll say, can you count the dogs? 1, 2. I see 2 dogs. You're going to get a little counting in there. So then to put it back up, or to show you how to stack it, I always start in the corner, and I just go around the outside. Then that way, they're all stacked, ready to go again for the next kid when I want to pull the Paw Patrol one. Where do I get my puzzles? That one I found on the props. Some of them are calendars that had great pictures that I laminated. You can tell the black where I made the puzzle pieces. If you just Google puzzle pieces, you can get what you need off of that, and then cut them out to work right there. Still have them in the same order. Still go around the outside. They're going to see Hulk right away. And this is just a calendar that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I got 12 puzzles for $1. And so, oops, you can tell I got that one out of order. So see, then I was fumbling to wonder where to go, and so it cost me a little bit more time. So it's the same process with this one. If you know a student likes a certain thing, Google that, and you can find pictures and images. You can copy it then onto Word or some other program and blow it up real big and then cut it up into a puzzle. And that's what I did with this one. I have a little girl that absolutely loves My Little Pony, and she's always asking me for it. And so I just Googled My Little Pony, found one that had a lot of ponies on it. She's already noticed that. Most of them have, and I'll go, and they'll go, pony. And if they don't say pony, I may be going, pony, to kind of start them looking at it. And then when I got it all completed, we can talk about the colors of the ponies. What color pony do you see? Can you count the ponies? Yeah, and this little girl, she can name them for you too. But I make her say, that is Rainbow Dash, or this is Rainbow Dash. So I still make her say it in a sentence. So we're still trying to keep in with that education. For the older kids, I have one that does Superman. He wanted a Superman one, so I Googled Superman, made it, put them on. I defined a star with them. That way they're a little bit more active in it, and they get to choose then what number they want. And then you're saying, it's not in order. What do? Got a trick for you. Say they choose number 3. Oh no, where am I going to put it? It's spot number 4. And I know that it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I've learned them. So it's number 4. Oh, they choose number 6. Very good. Good job. I show them the piece. On the back, it's spot number 2. I know immediately where to put it. Easy, huh? Number 1. Spot number 8. But I show them the piece, and I know spot number 8 is going to go over here. Easy, quick, spot number 8. To me, show them the piece. I see it's spot number 5. I know where 5 is, and I put it on there. And then I finish the puzzle with them that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that way you have your pieces, you have them numbered, and you know immediately where they go. So this Iron Man one too was just another one that I Googled for an older kid. And you see my marks on there from where I traced my puzzle pieces. And that makes it very easy for that. Another one that I do with the younger kids is I do puzzle strips that have the numbers on them 1 through 10. And so you're also getting another concept in there. So I will give them this time 2 at a time. And it does fit on the smaller dry erase boards. And if you get ones with the border, it's easy to keep them in line. So I'll go 1, 2, and then they'll count with me. What do you see? Yes, I see a dog. Then the next time I'll go 1, 2, and they're already saying 3, 4. What do you see? I see a dog. Next time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5, 6. Yes. What do you see? I see a dog. Then by the time you pull it up the next time, they're already counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then by the last time, you're going to do 9 and 10. What do you see? I see dogs. Let's count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dogs. Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, you did a good job. So there's lots of things that you can do with that one too. I have girls with the Frozen. You put together the Frozen puzzle. So that's how I use puzzles in my classroom for a reward. The kids love it. Their eyes light up when they see that final picture. Some of them are even asking for them. So I know they're enjoying it. So, question of the day. When you were a kid, did you do puzzles? Yes? No? I did, and I loved them. Why don't you let me know? Yes or no? Were you a puzzle person? Drop me an answer in the comments and let me know. Thanks! So I hope you enjoyed this. You might give it a try to use puzzles in your room. If you do, I'd like to know. Drop me a comment below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Great, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.